Joy Ma Bogala Mukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Bigyan. By the grace of Ma Bogala Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. And I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measures that to apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, this is a one-day video. So if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit. And you will definitely benefit from this channel. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measures. Today, 28th October 2020. Let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. In this day, your health can be distributed. And obviously, do not let the feeling of frustration flourish in your mind during this whole day. And your body will remain very tired. And sudden expenses may be revealed in this day. There are maybe a very good possibility of a big tension in your family. So be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. Today, obviously do not give any food, milk or any kind of milk-made product to any pure saint during this whole day. Then let's talk about the second sign of the zodiac, Taurus. In this day, students will be very sincere regarding their studies, and it will be very good for them. And you must be very busy at your workplace during this whole day, and you may get important business contracts also in this day, and you will feel very better after completing your very important tasks in your day. And some religious trip with your family may be possible during this whole day. And your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. Today, throw 125 gram of sugar into the river or in any running water or in any pond, and that will give you a very good chance to improve your career. Then let's talk about Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will get a very good benefit in research. If you are attached with this type of jobs, then the day is yours, and you will remain in a very good health during this whole day. And obviously, you can expand your business during this day. Some interrupted works is likely to begin today, and it will be very good for you to improve your career. And you should be restrained at your workplace. Be careful. Your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. Today, obviously stop drinking milk after the sunset. Be careful about these things. Then let's talk about the Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will try to understand the deep mysteries of your religion, and it will be very good for you. And obviously, love will increase very much in your married life, love life, etc. And work will be completed with the help of your colleagues in the office during this day, and it will be very good sign to improve your career also. And you may have a problem of a cough and a cold, and it's not good for you. And it will be better to avoid every kind of new tasks for now or for this day. Your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, serve any kind of milk products to any workers before starting your daily routine during this day. Then let's talk about Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac. Today, you may have some argument with the elders of your family, and your relevance in the family will be less as of now. Control your temperament, and there is a very big possibility of getting interrupted in the almost completed works during this day, and some good thoughts will enlist in you. Though your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, receive the blessings by touching the feet of any old man in your house or in your locality, and he or she might be your known or unknown, that doesn't any matter. Then let's talk about the sixth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. The means of happiness will increase in your life today very much, and you will be interested in some entertainment during this whole day. And today is the very hectic day, but your determined efforts will turn into a successful day, and you will have to face some competition in your business. And obviously, if you try to overcome this type of problem, you will get a very good success in your life. And your daily routine also will remain collaterate. And your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Today, keep your mom happy, very happy from the beginning of the day at any cost. Then let's talk about the seventh sign of the zodiac, Libra. Today, you will feel some quite energetic instead of last day, and you have a good time with your life partner, and obviously it's a very good day for you also. Some work related to engineering sector work will progress very much, and you may get a very good monetary advantage in your job, in your business, and there will be some pressure to complete the unfinished tasks in your life today. And your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, serve milk to your father with your own hand before starting your daily routine. Then let's talk about the Scorpio, the 8th sign of the zodiac. The time is not good time, is not good from economic perspectives, and there will be some bitterness in your love relations or your married relationships also, and the whole day will be full of ups and downs during your every corner. And the natives of the stock market may have to suffer losses during this day. So be careful, and if there is any possibility, then keep a very good distance from the stock market. And there will be some dilemma in your mind about any important decision in your life during this day. And your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Today, throwing a raw turmeric in some running water or in a river or in any pond will improve your financial situation in your life today. Then let's talk about the Sagittarius, the 9th sign of the zodiac. The people can raise a question on your personality during this day, and a vehicle malfunction may occur during this day. Be careful, and there will be some problem of acidity and indigestion with your body. Also be careful to take your diet during this day, and you should avoid borrow money for this day, and you may worry about your health of a family member during this day. So the day is not so much good for you, so be careful about this day from the beginning of the day. And your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. Today, at the beginning of the day or at the beginning of any good work, keep it in an earthen pot or a jug filled it with raw milk. Then start your daily routine. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will get a handsome gain in your business or in your career. And the people who are associated with the market seem hike in their business. And the best time to enjoy your hobby. Enjoy. And whatever task you take in your hand, that will finish in at a time, and it will be very good for you. And there may be some pleasant surprise visit which will be very beneficial in your life today. And your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, mind it, for the day do not use your daughter's wealth and any kind of a resource, otherwise you will lose something good from your life today. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. Today you may have some stomach ache, and your health may be very weak during this day, and some negative thoughts will be floated in your mind from the beginning of the day. So be careful about all these things and avoid taking some risks just to show off. Don't do this. There are maybe some conflict with the boss in your office during this day. So be very careful about this day, because the day is not good enough for you. And your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. Today, keep a square piece of silver with you for whole day. I mean to say up to the good night. And then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is the Pisces. Your efficient leadership will be appreciated by everyone during this whole day. And do not delay if you are planning something new in your life. And you will get guidance, good guidance from the senior people surrounded you. And the day is particularly auspicious for the women. And some mutual dedication and the respect will increase very much in consanguineous relationships in your life today. And your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. Today, throw a coin into the river or running water or in any kind of a pond, which will be good for your children to improve their career, and obviously also your career. Anyway, this was the judgment of Aries to Pisces from today's match, its question and remedial action. And I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagaladevi like every day. Let Hema keep everyone well and keep them healthy and create a very good situation in their life, so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy also. Maybe I am here today. I'll be back at the right time tomorrow, and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measures to judge Pisces from Aries in front of you. For that time, take care and goodbye.